Okay, introducing our certified pre-owned car of the week. This week features our
2021 Lexus LX 570 with only 8,358 miles, finished in atomic silver with a parchment semi-aniline leather interior with open-pore walnut wood trim. Performance consists of a 5.7-liter V8 producing 383 horsepower and 403 pound-feet of torque, directing that power through its 4-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Also equipped is the adaptive variable air suspension. Safety systems include automatic high beams, blind spot monitoring, the 360-degree view surround camera, intelligent parking assist, lane departure alert, rear cross traffic alert, pre-collision system, and a free 3 years of Lexus Inform Safety Connect. Comfort and convenience features include heated and ventilated front and rear seats with a heated steering wheel, the driver's seat memory, power moonroof, rear sunshades, the 12.3-inch navigation screen, the 19-speaker Mark Levinson reference surround sound audio system, and the dynamic radar cruise control. All L-certified Lexus models come with a 161-point inspection, an unlimited mileage warranty up to 6 years, factory recommended maintenance for 2 years or 20,000 miles, and a free 3 months of Sirius XM.